Musa bin Talha reports from his father, I along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam happened to pass by some people near the date palms. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked, what are they doing? They submitted, they are crossing the date palms. They are mixing male with female date palm, so it produces more fruit. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, I do not think they will derive any benefit from it. When those companions radiyallahu anhum got this news, they forsook that practice. When Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was notified of it, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, if they reap benefit from it, they should continue to do so. I just thought of it. You may not act upon my thought. However, when I narrate to you something with reference to Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, act upon it. For I do not associate any lie to Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6079.